morning, ma'am. I am Asojan Weska, BSN 2A, and I am here to demonstrate to you the entering and leaving an isolation room.
Step number 1. Confirm type of isolation and attire required. Step number 2. Make sure you have all the supplies needed by the client before entering the room. Step number 3. Cover hair with cap. Step number 4. Put on gown. Pick up gown by its color and allow it to unfold without touching the floor. Slide down over hands and arms by holding arms forward and slightly above head. Then, fasten the gown at the back. Grasp gown at the waistline in the back and overlap edges as much as possible. Then, secure belt and tie in back. Step number 5. Put on gloves. Make sure that cuffs are completely covered. Pull the cuff of each glove over the edge of gown sleeve. Interlace fingers if needed to adjust fingers of the gloves. Step number 6. Put on mask. Position mask over nose and mouth. Bend the nose bar over bridge of the nose for snug fit. Step 7. Put on goggles. Step number 8. Enter room and perform necessary tasks. Be sure to leave call bell within client's reach. Ask if you can do anything more before you leave the room. Step number 9. After disposing soiled items used, tie the bag securely. If special disposal methods are used and bag is not pre-labeled, mark the bag appropriately. Step number 10. Ensure client safety and comfort before leaving the room. Lastly, prepare to leave the room.